Hey guys, let's see how you can watch Netflix with the Google TV Chromecast. So super simple, as you can see. I have the Chromecast TV already connected to the HDMI port of my projector. And back there I have Netflix already working, right? Let me just disconnect here so you see how it works. Basically, I just need to come here and use this HDMI input. There we go. That's the one. See that I don't have signal on the TV anymore, on the projector anymore. Then I just come here, connect it back, and just wait for it to come up, and there we go, right? I'm using this projector here from EvoPow. So it's super simple. I just need to use the remote control from the projector and select the HDMI input just right here. I just come here back to the main screen. You see that I have different options. I have Netflix inside of the projector itself because it's a smart projector. But if I want to use the Chromecast, I just need to connect here to the HDMI port and then look here in the menu for the input. As long as I select the input here, I choose HDMI and I'm good to go. Now I have Netflix working from the Chromecast just because I have everything here available, right? Different apps here. You see that I have Netflix, I have Prime, Disney, Hulu, Tubi, YouTube, and different apps. So I come back here to Netflix. I just select it and starts working. Let me just kill some lights here so you see better. There we go. So it's working here with Netflix. I can just log in with my account and start using it. Super simple. Basically, that's the way you can have your Google TV 4K or your Chromecast working with Netflix. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.